when this music stops.
Nice. Okay, so today
So
we're
guys,
looking at the different types of
when the
energy.
music starts,
We're now
you
going to
clap
look
your
at
hands.
heat, light, and sound
Stop,
energy.
stop.
3 types of energy at once. Sounds like it could be dangerous.
It can be, so watch out.
Okay, so what do you think about talking about?
Ooh, I was actually thinking about giving you a little clue.
Bring it on.
Okay, Mike, we'll take a look at the screen. This is your first clue.
Ch4.
No, it's CH4.
Oh, sorry, it's CH4.
Yes, it's a molecular formula.
It's a molecular formula. Yeah, it might be worth a do, but I haven't got a Scooby-Doo.
All right, here's your second clue.
It's a cow. Oh, Clep, did you hear about the cow that went into space? It landed on the moon.
Did you get it?
Yes, I did. Did you guys get it?
Do you know, some people started clapping, and that's thrown me. That's never had a round of applause. I think we should move on. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Now, a cow produces 500 litres of this stuff in its gut every day.
I've got it. You're talking about methane, and every single time a cow, it releases methane into the atmosphere.
Mike, do you actually know anything about methane, or just the noise it makes?
Let me see. Methane was first scientifically discovered back in November 1776 at the marshes of Lake Maggiore by the Italian physicist Alessandro Volta.
Oh, wasn't he the guy that was involved in inventing the battery?
That's the very man. Now, Volta was inspired to look for methane after reading a paper written by Benjamin Franklin on flammable air. And at the marshes of Lake Maggiore, he managed to capture the rising gas, and by 1778, managed to demonstrate the means of igniting methane with an electric spark.
Ooh, that sounds exciting. Let's do it.
But in that case, we need to have a bowl of soapy water. Now, methane is a hydrocarbon. What is it, everybody? A hydrocarbon. But what's in the hydrocarbon family is butane, which you'll find in lighters, or if anyone's got a heater in their garden, that can be fueled with butane as well. So we can take our own hydrocarbon, the butane, turn it upside down, and place it into our bowl of soapy water. And if I push down very, very gently, slowly but surely, the bowl will start to fill with lots and lots of butane bubbles.
Ooh, very cool. Now, here's a question for you all. Are butane bubbles flammable?
Ignore my sister, she
Okay,
doesn't
well,
want to.
as it is a special occasion of being here in Banbury, I thought we should get Mike to put the bubbles on his hands and light them.
Hang on, whoa. Hang on, hands up, who thinks that's a bad idea? Thank you, 1, 2, 3, 5 at a push.
All right, now hands up with me. It's a brilliant idea.
Okay, there's 1 for another 2 hands up. Someone's very keen. All right, as our new friends are being so nice, I will be nice and brave, but I'm sure you all know whenever doing your experiments, make sure you wear your safety equipment.
Absolutely. Now get those cameras ready. So the question, are butane bubbles flammable? And the answer is coming your way in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, super toasty. Oh, that's nice.
How was
Oh,
fire?
that's
Like it
lovely.
was amazing.
Oh, I've just thought, has anybody got any marshmallows?
Let's give them a big